There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Dodge Durango GT Blacktop in Destroyer Gray. With HID headlamps, performance hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, rear load leveling suspension, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, 9 Alpine amplified speakers with subwoofer, heated rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5781.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.